Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix unable to connect to world Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to make sure that when you play and you check your world, then you're going to make sure that when you edit it and you go down to multiplayer, the multiplayer game is enabled. Because a lot of times this is becoming disabled. And when you have it enabled, make sure that it's on friends, not just invited players. And so once you have those options, you're going to make sure that when you go back and you go to social, that you're going to search for people and you're going to make sure that you have added them as your friends. And if that doesn't work, then sharing the link or the QR code directly is usually the best option. Now, if that doesn't work fully, then all you have to do then finally is to make sure that you connect your computer to a speed test. Head to your Google and search for speed test just like that. And once you do so, you're going to just convert it by this one and simply click on go, and that will get you some results. And so if it's too low for downloads or uploads, then make sure you either switch your internet or restart your router and then try the options again. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.